The 30 most incredible ideas about saltwater taffy wedding favors you'll ever know. All of us are preparing weddings on a budget, which causes some ingenuity and do-it-yourself ventures. It is not important to pay a lot of money to bring more information to your special day. When packed creatively, simple favors will always wow the guests. To show it, here are cute wedding favor ideas for under $1 each. Have saltwater taffy at your wedding reception or bridal shower to pay tribute to the past. These delicious snacks are individually packaged and look lovely when presented at a candy buffet or used as filler in advantage packets. Your visitors would be enthralled with your meticulous attention to detail. 1 saltwater taffy favors with sign. 2 saltwater taffy kebabs with adorable thank you tags. 3 saltwater taffy favor for beach wedding. 4 state fair saltwater taffy. 5 saltwater taffy wedding favors beach wedding favor. 6 wedding favor box filled with saltwater taffy. 7 inspiring beach wedding party favors. 8 Fraulinger's assorted saltwater taffy. 9 saltwater taffy favors. 10 a souvenir for you favor tag clip art. 11 Village by the Sea wedding. 12 Huckleberry saltwater taffy. 13 saltwater taffy gift box. 14 sweet candy wedding favor. 15 saltwater taffy 4 ounces Charleston wedding favor. 16 personalized bridal mason jars. 17 saltwater taffy mason jar. 18 novelty soap shaped like saltwater taffy. 19 saltwater taffy sage pack. 20 navy blue nautical wedding favor boxes tent. 21 tranquil beach save the dates with real saltwater taffy. 22 New Mexico wedding saltwater taffy. 23 a vintage Hamptons wedding saltwater taffy. 24 fake candy faux set of pastel saltwater taffy pink aqua. 25 saltwater taffies, water taffy. 26 state fair saltwater taffy candy. 27 aqua gift bags with personalized koozies, water bottles, and colorful saltwater taffy. 28 nautical wedding favors mason jars filled with saltwater taffy. 29 saltwater taffy box with tag. 30 assorted saltwater taffy mix.
Please subscribe, please like, thank you for watching.